Good morning mga Jay, mga guys. Yan, dito sa labas na good morning mga Jay kasi sama tayo with the dogs. Sama tayo with the dogs. Ay, naligo sa swimming pool earlier. Super hot mga Jay. Uy, itong hair mga Jay, kaya hot kayo mga Jay. Na late na hud kumuntag pagawas sa dog mga Jay, palabas. Na tanghali palabas ang ating mga dogs mga Jay ba. Kasi nag-ano man ako, may akong ginagawa, maglaba, walis-walis ba. Hindi ako nakamap, maybe tumuro ako mag-map mga Jay. Ang init mga Jay, uy, ating weather. Kasi noon time na good mga Jay, 12 o'clock na mga Jay. Na-late na nga natin nilabas ang dogs. Supposed to be 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock something, 10 something ba. Now it's 12. Almost na siguro 1 ngayon mga Jay, o 12 something na ba. Ay mga Jay. Ay mga Jay. Hi. Collection collection. Airplane mga Jay. Pa-landing na sa Clearwater. St. Petersburg Clearwater International Airport. Uy, may ano pa ka ngayon pala? May mail pa ngayon, Sunday. Are there a mail? Mail today? Sunday?
Special delivery, I guess.
Special. Oh, one airplane coming over here. From there, going up there, then turn. Coming over na. Yan.
What is it?
There na. From down up there, oh, there, how many seconds only, there only. Very fast, because from there, airplane then down there, down here, a few minutes only. I think 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Very fast. Yeah, let's go. Let's see. Wala na ka. Hindi ka na, special delivery, babe. That man ba, babe? That man ba that holding, walking ba? Yan. He walked down here and I'm there and she said,
What is it?
you have any collection, maybe? Collection for something, something, clothes for something or collection? He asked for a collection.
Who did?
That man ba? That
Ask you?
bringing something clothes. That one, holding it on. The man from there, he walked down here. And I'm there standing, and he says, "Collection."
No.
He says, "I didn't understand what he's talking."
Another one.
Yeah, that one. That one is from the far away.
Right there.
Yeah. Look mga Jay. Malapit ang mga Jay, no? Landing na yun mga Jay. Doon sa yan, no? Landing na yun. Lalanding yun sa St. Petersburg Clearwater International Airport mga Jay.
Lex, let's go.
Let's go.
Hey.
Si Lexi did not move?
Yeah, Lexi, come on.
Lexi, what did you eat there?
Rango, come on. Hey.
Hot mga Jay, grabing init mga Jay. Makaluya. Dapat tayong mga Jay. So, ko tapos mga hot na naman. Ay mga Jay. Ano sa mga Jay, Lexi, come back. Let's go. Come on. Go home.
Let's go.
Did Lexi? Let's go na. Let's go home. Yan mga Jay. Ating weather mga Jay. Buti mga Jay. Ang aking hair is naging dry na ba. Lagyan ko itong oil na maya. Pag natin ito sa bahay, lagyan ko itong oil. Yung Garnier oil. Ang init. Nangali mga jay. Mga tao siguro mga jay. Natulog siguro ngayon mga jay. Taking a nap because they look like something na mga jay. Hindi din ko yung rice ko maya mga jay. Tapos yung meron akong konting konting
What is that? Another
sardinas. Another open house?
yellow?
I think that was yesterday.
Same one?
Same. Oh yeah, babe, pop a little bit, babe. Oh. Here.
I don't think.
Yeah. There.
Where?
Pop there.
Go.
Let's go. Go home now. No, don't. That's over. Yes, ano yun. Mo over. Hindi ko Ringo. Let's go. This is very hot. Let's go. Nauti man ka. Uy. Uy, meron naman hot airplane. Cloudy mga day. Oh. See? Let's go. So, simutan pa yung ihi diya. It's very hot. Let's go now. I look my hanging clothes outside. I'll move it behind the wall because maybe later we don't know. It will rain. Mamaya na naman makulimlim na naman tapos uulan ba. Kaya ang ating dito yun laban natin yan na siya yan. Okay, uka naman yung iba. Oh, wow. No. No, here. Yeah, there. Okay, come. Let's go inside. Very kainit kayo. Ha. Oh, tantay mga jay. Ako na ako sa hair mga jay. Maglagay ako ng oil. Buti naka-sunblock tayo mga jay today. Bako tayo lumabas ba? Come
here.
Sunblock tayo. Buti na lang.
Lexi!
Magawal tayo mga jay. Buti mga jay. Naka-sunblock tayo today mga jay. Everyday naman tayo mag-sunblock. Nilagyan ko ba yun? Hindi ko nilagay palagay yung sunblock. Ito natin mag-color mga jay. Hawa din yung hair mga jay. Kaya naman naputulog ko. Ito mga yan. Next step. Okay. Tintay mga jay. I'll add some more later. Let us see our hair. Not much now. Okay na siya. Dagahan natin mga jay. Mga jay. Oil. Malapit ang maubos. Oh. Bago pa lang bago ko pa yan binili mga jay. Yan dito mga jay. Lagyan pa rin mga jay. Kulang pa ng oil. Dito sa ilalim ba. Kasi ikaw makikita yan. Tapos ilalim nito. Kailangan may oil lahat kasi bago natin gulay ba. Tomorrow ko lang ito paplansyahin. Kasi pangit kung paplansyahin mo kagad. Basa ang ating hair. Kailangan pa tayo na natin tomorrow. Yan na. Okay na siya mga siya. Kailangan mo. Dami yung oil. Saan rin. Nari siya mga jay. Natin namaya kung dami ba siya. Oh well. Hindi ko lagyan. Yan pa mga jay. Maano yung ating kulay ba. Okay. Okay mga jay. See you later mga jay ha. See you later mga jay mga jong guys. Bye for now. Bye. Dito tayo mga jay. Kuhin na tayo mga jay. Tapos ako naking ayon naking hair mga jay. Kunti lang ba? Kunti lang inayon ko mga jay. Ito na mga jay. Lagay ko nga dito dyan mga jay. Ito yung mga daladalahin natin. Ito yan. Dito na tayo. Ating daladalahin natin na snacks. Nandito na sa bag natin. Or bananas, everything, water, everything here na mga jay. Okay, so now gonna get this one mga jay, ating baon. Yeah, here mga jay. Guys, tagal kasi mga jay. Okay, nagalit siya sa kanyang spectrum mga. Turn it, parang sinascam siya ba? Hindi na siya mga jay. Mga jay. Yes, na mga jay. Yes, mga jay na. Uy, off na ang lahat ng mga ilaw dito mga jay kasi alis na tayo mga jay. Yan. Mga dogs yan nandun sa kanilang malalaban pa ko na shoes ko sinilas ko mga jay kasi ito mga dog mga jay baka para mga dog natin mga jay. Ito tagal ba na zero Ito yung mga jay, yung snacks dyan. Ready na tayo. Kasi sir, wala pa. Jay, mga jay sir, mga jay. Kasi na ready. Nagplansya pa ko sa kong hair, tiwas na. Dali pa ko plansya mga jay. Dali ko ayon sa aking hair mga jay. Hindi pa ito masyado na ayon ko ba. Nagmamadali na ako ng ayon nito. So natin, nakala ko ready naman siya. Lapad pala. May tininan pa pala siya mga jay. Ay mga jay. Kaya, yun na. Na babe.
It's not them, it's Chase.
Chase.
Doing this.
Let's go mga jay. Let's go na mga jay, mga guys.
Boy. Go. Get out of here. Come on.
Yeah. Uy, let's go na mga jay. Ang init ng ating weather. Init mga jay. Open the one, babe. Open the window, car window. It was very hot. Let's go na mga jay. See you later mga jay. Bye for now. Maaga na ready ang medicine today mga Jay. Maaga tayo kuha nga car mga Jay. Kuha. This is ours and then there some Steve and something. Yeah. Alright. Ito tayo mga Jay. Right. Ready na na medicine mga Jay. Okay, ito man tayo eh. Ay, nantok mga Jay. Nakatulog ko sa pagpunta dito mga Jay. Ay, mga Jay. Look, yan ka na yan sa kwa. Another one here is Steve and something the blue from the pharmacist I think. Something there. Adding there. From the weekend people ba? From the weekend people. The gray one over there beside the blue is Steve car. Yeah. Wow. Mga Jay. The turtle. Look at the turtle. Big one. 3 of them turtles. Some are in the water. Sometimes they're all 10 turtles. So many heads. Oh, swimming. Oh, there's one here swimming. Again. Here we are again, Jollibee. Here we are. Yay, wait. Jollibee, here we are again. Jollibee, here we are again. Okay. Uy. Jollibee, transfer. Chicken sandwich, original.
2 pieces of chicken on the side. For the sides. Both sides over here. Mashed potatoes, fried rice. Also.
Chicken again. A bucket of chicken and then what? Fries. I think we have fries now.
Oh, they have fries.
Yeah.
Where's the combo?
Jollibee. Chicken.
Let's get a
And
6-piece
6-piece.
chicken
Which
joy
one?
meal deal.
Chicken 6-piece chicken joy meal deal. Okay, yeah. 6 pieces chicken joy meal deal.
Instead of 6 pieces, in-upgrade na 10 pieces, and then you have a spaghetti family pack. Tsaka green fries.
Yes, spaghetti. Ano?
No,
Fries. Fries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where the sides?
Fries.
Where I see the sides?
So this is gonna be the same number.
Jollibee. Here we come back again.
Sides, yeah.
Pies and sides. Pies and sides.
You can get fries and what would you like?
Fries and
Fries
the
and what else?
fries.
No, you have to wait for that one to go away.
Yeah. Fries, jolly spaghetti size. One more scroll.
There. Mashed potatoes, fries, rice, biscuit, or coleslaw.
Whatever you like.
Fries and what else?
Fries and what's this? What's
Two
your
piece biscuit.
yeah? Fries and 2 pieces
And
and six pieces chicken joy meal deal. Okay, let's go there. Because we're in the line up.
where's she?
At the fish section.
All each 25.
Peach mango pie. Obi pie, 6 piece snack pack.
Two ube and the rest are each 25. Gotcha. Anything else?
Next.
Alright, yeah, 3 pieces chicken tender, small gravy included, coconut dream, and yeah, 6 pieces pie. You got 2 ubi pie and 4 peach pie, right? Anything else for you? It's gonna be for you to go. Whenever you're ready, thank you.
Fried drink.
Crunch. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ay. Matay. Yeah. Oh, yummy, babe. Yummy. Yum. Yeah, there you go. Raspberry. Part-time. She's working her part-time, but she's still in the Publix.
Oh, she's working.
She's still working in Publix, so she's here. I will ask her if they have hiring. Part-time. Yeah. Oops. Just part-time ba? It's not it. Yeah. There you go. Tumazay. Uy, naho mga guys. Ito Jollibee mga jay yung ating Jollibee. Yan. Yeah. Let's eat our Jollibee. Ay, mac and cheese. Yeah, mac and cheese. The fries. The mac and cheese. And the sauce.
Chicken. What is
Chicken.
that?
Sauce. The gravy.
Where's the fries?
Here.
Oh.
The fries. Put this for the
Garbage.
cabbage bag.
Tissue.
One. We have here just gravy natin. Here for the mac and cheese. This one. And we have here our fries and cracker biscuit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Mga jay. Here mga jay. Jollibee and fries. Yeah. Here. Mac and cheese. The gravy. Open the gravy. Yep, there's the gravy. Gravy natin. Mga jay. Tapos natin kumain mga jay. I-try natin ang kanilang mga jay. Mac and cheese. Lami siya mga jay. Creamy kaya mga jay. Cheesy and creamy.
Very creamy.
Yeah. I want to try the macaroni ba. Yummy.
Enough.
Very yummy lang mac and cheese, oh. In the Philippines, don't have I think don't have mac and cheese, only mashed potatoes.
Oh, no mac.
Paborito ko ng mac and cheese. I thought maybe there is, but sometimes Filipino get the mashed potato. Mac and cheese.
That's it.
The mac and cheese is perfect, not so salty,
No, it's lots of cheese.
but it's creamy. Yeah, creamy from the cheese. Sometimes they put so many cheese, but that's salty. But this one is perfect,
This is
not so salty. It's good, perfect, creamy.
The next day.
Good morning mga guys. Good morning sa inyo lahat. Kamusta kayong lahat dyan? Yan, dito mga Jay is umuulan mga Jay. I think, yeah, umuulan pala. Umuulan. Yan, medyo maambun ba? Ay, umuulan pala mga Jay. Early morning. Look mga Jay, oh. Umuulan pala mga Jay, oh. Yan, umuulan. Kawa tayo ng milk mga Jay. Kasi kakagigising ko lang mga Jay. Kawa tayo natin ng milk. Kawa tayo ng milk mga Jay. Jay. Ito pala. Ito lang yan. Tingin tayo ng lutuin mga Jay. Ito tayo na ano mga Jay. Lumpiang ano mga Jay ba? Shanghai. Na chicken. Lamihan natin ng vegetables. Lamihan ko ng carrots mga Jay. Sasarap pag maraming carrots mga Jay. No? Ano ba yun sa mga Jay basa ka ng lubuyas ay init mga Jay na ito yung ating chicken kaya ano ko ating chicken pusin mga Jay chicken mga Jay papa lang sila mga Jay ito natin ang celery ang ating yan ating chicken lagyan natin ang celery mga Jay ang init ng ating you go now? natin ready mga Jay. Ito yung raisin dyan. So, ordere. Yan, magluto tayo mga Jay. At itong finish ng mga Jay. Try natin mga Jay. Dari. Yan, try natin ating lumpia. Na. Final look na ating lumpia mga Jay. Yan na mga Jay. Yan na. Yan mga Jay. Okay mga Jay, mga guys, thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and the notification for more updates. Thank you so much mga Jay, mga guys. Amping ang mga kanonay, and God bless everyone. Bye bye.